So I just got this 4K camera. Um, I did a video on it, which will be uploaded. Hell, I don't even know when this one's going up, but yeah. So it's a brand new camera. I did whenever my video I recorded with this thing go up, with me working on the car in the backyard. Um, what I do like about it is the quality is very good. What I don't like about it is the sound is kind of choppy if it don't have this microphone up here. So that have to be on. The audio from this sounds pretty crappy. Um, Also, the battery life sucks. So let me back up. Okay, so when you get it, you get this, the camera. These are attachments for the lens. You get this microphone and you get the stand. Now this light, you know that in the background, that's me editing a video or me doing recording on this. But this I got separate for something else that I was using it for lighting. Um, it's very bright, as you can see. Um, that's the little display. You can flip it either way. Now, going back. Now, the battery life on here is not good at all. They give you two batteries, but I don't think it'll matter because you'll constantly have to switch it out. So what I did is I had this external battery pack just laying around. I wasn't using it. I didn't have really no use of it because I got super fast chargers for my phone. So, and it was just laying around. I'm like, you know what? What if I mock this up for this to sit on here? That way, this can act as a battery. I don't remember the milliamps. Let's see. Yeah, I can't really see it, but it's pretty much good enough to a quick charge a phone from 0 to 100%, and within, let's see, I think it can do that within 30 minutes. So this acts as a good battery for this. So if you vlogging or doing things, the quality is good. The microphone quality is okay. I feel like it can be better, but it's decent. This camera I already had. I mean, not the camera. This light up here I already had. The stand, I think this was from Five Below. Years ago. I had this for a minute. So, yeah. I don't even remember what this originally was for, but it fits it. So, I kind of used that as to, probably going to use this as vlogging now and shoot my videos. I just have to get a tall stand that this can sit on, and I can shoot my videos and stuff. Also, a friend of mine's, he's going to do a podcast, so I'm going to go over there and, kind of record some things with him doing his podcast. So, well, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to record for him and give him the footage, because he's trying to start off on YouTube and, do podcasts too. So, when that's up, I'm going to give him a shout out on my channel so y'all can check him out. He'll be talking about some interesting stuff. Yeah, so I like it. I like it the way I got it set up. And it's got a handle where you can grip it from the top. I like that. So yeah, this is the new camera I got. My brother, he was pretty much vlogging me and doing it. He even said, "Man, this is a good ass camera. Battery life ain't too good." So I recommend you, if you're going to get this camera, get external battery pack. And um this is not glued on. This is just velcroed on. So I mean, it pretty much ain't going nowhere. But I did glue the velcro to the plastic and onto this, so I can take this off if I want to. See, velcro. There's velcro at the bottom. So might put a little rubber band down there to hold it in place, but I mean, it ain't gonna come off though. But you never know. I might need to do a running scene, and I don't make sure this don't come off at all. I'll probably put like some Velcro. I mean, not Velcro. A rubber band under there to hold it tight to it. I don't know. It depends. We'll see. Trial and error as you go. I figure out shit as I go. But so far, I didn't use this battery pack. I had it laying around. Now I got a use for it. So that's my new 4K camera. There's Wi-Fi. You can connect this to your phone. When this little light, when you recording, it'll light up green. So like if you got the camera out like this. Let me see. Maybe I'll do it. Huh. Well, it did at first. Let me go in the menu. Oh, by the way, hold on. So it comes with this little remote too. I forgot to mention that. So you got a remote that controls the little menu. Remote. Trying to see if I can cut that back on. So I got my video quality is high. I have a 256, I think a 256 gigabyte SD card in there, and I think that's where it maxed out at. I turned off the watermarks on there. Core audio. Huh. I don't see that menu, but it when I first got it, it did come on. I might have messed with some settings in it. When I first got it, the green light will come on and let you know it's recording. Let's see. Okay, Google. Turn off all lights. Cut cord there. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, so that's the light for that. Yeah, that's not going to be enough. So, while that's dark like that, I will rely on this thing up here, which give me way more light than that. As you can see. And I can adjust that to what I need it to be. But yeah, okay, Google, turn on all lights.
Sure, turning 4 lights on.
So this would be very useful for doing, projects and videos and stuff like that. Oh, now the green light comes on. But okay. Yeah, so this will be useful for projects like that. If I had to rate it, I would probably give it like a 7 out of 10. The video is good. Audio is not too good. Well, without this, if you're just using the camera audio, I wouldn't recommend that. Use this thing that comes with it. But with this, it give it decent quality. Now I want to say this thing is not the 100% best, but it's okay. It's way better than this. So I give it a 7 out of 10. I don't know. With me making this mock shift thing, maybe 8 out of 10. Because the battery life sucks on here. You can probably only get like 30 minutes of record time. Then again, I was recording in all high settings, so everything was up max. I'm just testing everything out to see how it would look. So I will say, if you're gonna do that and you just want to get some hours on your battery, record in everything in the medium range, unless you do this. If you put a mock shift battery pack on there and have it running directly to the back of it, then I would say, yeah, you can crank everything to the high. These damn things can charge tablets, Androids, quite a few things, and it holds a good ass charge. So I give this in total 8 out of 10, because they give you this, the whole front guard for it, the microphone. Only thing it didn't come with it was the light, obviously the battery pack, and the stand. But you can pretty much get that anywhere. So, and it takes USB-C. So 8 out of 10 is what I give this. Do I recommend it? Yeah, actually I do. If you vlogging and you trying to not spend that much money and not spend over a damn $1,000, this wasn't even a fraction of that. Got it at a good price. Let's just say it was under 200, way under 200. But for what you get for it and the quality, looks pretty good. And this is what it looks like on the TV. Now I ain't gonna play the video because I'm probably gonna upload this right now, but this is what this looked like. And that's from this camera. I'll give you a sneak peek. So that's from this camera. So yeah, check them out. DVC digital video. I don't know. I'll post a link where I got this in the description if they'll let me. And y'all can check it out for yourself. So, yeah. Till next time.